إياك نعبد وإياك نستعين. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My name is Ibrahim Mansoor. My department is BBA 2K19. My roll number is 23. My subject is accounting. Submitted by Sir GM Sheikh Saab. My first topic is partnership. A partnership is a form of a business where two or more people share ownership as well as the responsibility for managing the company and the income or losses the business generates. That economy is paid to partners who then claim it on their personal tax returns. The business is not taxed separately as corporation or on its profit or losses. There are three types of partnership. Number 1, journal partnership. Number 2, limited partnership. Number 3, joint venture. Number 1, journal partnership. In a journal partnership, each partner shares equally in the workload, liability, and profits generated and paid out to the partners. All partners are actively involved in the business, business operations. Number 2, limited partnership. Limited partnership allow outside investors to buy into a business but maintain limited liability and involvement based on the contribution. This is a more complicated form of partnership which also has more flexibility in terms of ownership and decision making. Joint venture, short term projects or alliances that bring together multiple partners for a project are typically structured as joint venture. If the venture performs well, it can be continued as a general partnership. Otherwise, it can be shuttlered. Current assessed and fixed assessed. Current assessed. A current assessed is a asset that a company holds and can be easily sold or consumed and further lead to the conservation of liquid cash. For a company, a current asset asset is an important factor as it given them a space to use the money on a day to day basis and clear the current business expenses. In other words, the meaning of current assets can be explained as an asset that is expected to last only for a year or less is considered as current asset. Type of current assets: cash and cash equivalent, inventory, ongoing projects, prepared expenses, account receivable, marketable securities. The above mentioned are the above list of current assets that are taken into consideration to check the operation cycle of company within 1 year. Uses of current assets. Current assets can be used as clear regular payments and bills. It gives an insight into the company cash and liquid position. Investors and creditors analyze the company current assets closely to understand the risk or benefits involved in the operation. Examples of current assets: cash and equivalents, short term investment, marketable securities, accounts receivable, inventory, prepared expenses, any other liquid assets. Fixed assets. Fixed assets is a long term tangible piece of property or equipment that a firm owns and uses in its operation to generate income. Fixed assets are not expected to consume or converted into cash with a year. Fixed assets most commonly appear on the balance sheet as property, plant, and equipment. They are also referred to as capital assets. A fixed asset is bought for production or supply of goods and services, rental to third parties, or use in an organization. The term fixed translates to the fact that these assets will not be used up or sold within the accounting year. A fixed asset typically has a physical form and is reported on the balance. Examples of fixed assets: fixed assets can include buildings, computer equipment, software, furniture, land, machinery, and vehicles. For example, if a company sells produce the delivery trucks it on it on and uses are fixed assets. If a business creates a company parking lot, the parking lot is fixed assets. Not that a fixed asset does not necessarily have to be fixed in all senses of the word. Some of these types of assets can be moved from one location to another, such as furniture and computer equipment. How depreciation is calculated? Depreciation is an accounting method of allocating the cost of tangible or physical assets over its useful life or life expectancy. Depreciation represents how much of an asset help companies earn revenue from an asset while expensing a portion of its cost a year the asset is in use. If not taken into account, it can greatly affect profits. Business can depreciate long-term assets for both tax and accounting purposes. For example, companies can take a tax deduction for the cost of the assessed, meaning it reduces taxable income. However, the Internal Revenue Services IRS states that when depreciating assets, companies must spread the cost over over out over time. How to how to calculate depreciation? There are three methods commonly used to calculate depreciation. They are: number one, straight line method, unit of production method, double deciling balance method. Three main inputs are required to calculate depreciation. Number one, useful life. This is in the time period over which the organization organization considering the fixed assets to be productive. By its useful life, the fixed asset is no longer cost effective to continue the operation of the asset. Number two, this salvage value post post the useful life of the fixed asset, the company may consider selling it at a reduced amount. This is known salvage. This is known as the salvage cost. क्या पे आके रहे करे तो गुडी गुनाय आकाना पे वीडियो पठाए ना आकाना पे
ताला खोला है
और भी मत है कितनी सही है।
आज जल्दी आलू खाना पे
The cost of the assessed this include taxes, shipping and preparation step expense.